Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasic. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your EveryDollar account. In order to delete your EveryDollar account, the first thing you'll need to do is to open a web browser and sign into your EveryDollar.com account. Here I've already been logged into my account. From the main homepage of your account, click on the settings button at the bottom left corner. Now click on Manage Your Account on the next page. Navigate to the left-hand menu and you will be able to see the Delete Account button, which you'll need to click on, and then click on Begin Account Deletion. You will now receive an email to your email address provided to the account with a one-time verification code. So once you receive it, go ahead and enter it in the text box. Type in the verification code, correct, and click on Continue. Finally, click on the Delete My Ramsey Account option in the pop-up, and then you will be able to delete your account for EveryDollar. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.